people, and welcome to another video in Photoshop. Today I'm going to talk about selection modes, and there are only 4 selection modes, so I hope this video won't get too long. So first thing first, I have deselected all my layers here and I just have an image. If you don't have these layers, it's okay, we will not use them. So now let's go to the left panel, and here if you click on it, you have a rectangular marquee tool and elliptical, a single row and a single column. I have selected the elliptical tool. Now the selection modes are actually these 4 buttons. I have selected the first one and it says a new selection. Okay, let's see what is this. I'm going to create a new layer here, create a new layer. Alright, and now I'm going to drag here a circle. Alright, this is not a perfect circle, it's more like an elliptical thing, but it's okay. So this is the first selection mode, but also there is this one. You rarely will have a perfect selection with the first one, so you most probably will need to add some things, and this is what the second option does. So by clicking on it, then I'm going back to my shape and I'm going to do this, and I'm also going to do no, I don't like this, so I'm just going on with Ctrl Z, and I'm going to do like this. Okay, this is quite bigger, but it's fun. Alright, now there will also be times that you want to extract something from your shape, and this is what this third icon does. So I'm going back here and I'm going to create these 2 circles. Alright, that's almost perfect. But what if you want to make a perfect circle? You can see the width and the height, and now we're not exactly right there, so I need to make it like 90, and then we're almost done. Okay, there is a quicker way to do this, but I'm not going to show you right now how to do this with the hotkey, so let's just leave it like this. Okay, perfect. What else can you do? Well, there is another selection here. Alright, and I'm just going to create another layer, the layer 2. I'm going to click on this one here, and I don't think that you will use this tool a lot, but anyway, let's see this. I'm dragging a big area here. Okay, this happens because I had selected both of them, so now we're in layer 2. And again, I'm going to drag something here, and again I'm going to drag another circle. Okay, and now I'm going to leave it, and as you see, I have only the middle area selected. Alright, so this is the 4th button. Great. I'm going to select it one more time and see what happens. Now these 2 almost circles are together. So you can play with it as much as you like. Alright. And I think that we are done with the selection modes, and stay tuned in the next video where I'm going to show you how to use the fill and stroke methods, which are very useful in graphic design. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye!